A little tip to be consistent in the stock market. So when you're trading, you don't want to think of today. If you're trading today, you want to think of tomorrow. Why? If you follow your plans today, if you are well disciplined today, it will eventually take it down to tomorrow's trading. Now, just imagine if you see a trade and you kind of didn't like the trade and you still take the trade, right? And you lose money on it, and then your discipline goes all over the place. So today your trading was really bad. It's killing your confidence. Confidence is getting wrecked, which eventually leads to your next day. Tomorrow when the market opens, you are not confident because of your trading yesterday. You're not consistent because of a loss yesterday. You're not disciplined because you haven't been following your own plan yesterday. So if you look at things like this, instead of trading for today, how about you start trading for tomorrow? One single thing, I started trading for tomorrow. It forced me to focus on my plan for today. If I follow my plan for today, it will eventually take me down to the tomorrow's trading, which will be even better. When you start compounding your mental capital, next day it will be a little bit better, and next day will be a little bit better. So when you start trading for tomorrow, your trading will improve and you'll become consistent.